Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the OpenAI Agent Builder step by step. Whether you want to build a personal assistant, an AI for customer support, or a powerful content generator, this beginner's guide will walk you through everything you need to know. So what is OpenAI Agent? It is a new feature from OpenAI that lets you create custom AI agents with their own knowledge, personality, and skills without writing a single line of code. You can customize their responses, connect them to external data, and even make them take actions automatically. Basically, it's ChatGPT but smarter, personalized, and fully controllable by you. So step 1, you can just go to the chatgpt.com and click on the explore ChatGPTs in here, and this will open the agent builder interface where you can give your AI a name, description, and custom instructions. Just go to the create a new GPT options spot. It is for the upgrade version, so it's for a paid person, but if you are free you cannot do that. But I'm going to tell you the steps. So for example, I'm going to create an agent called Study Buddy AI that helps students summarize topics and create flashcards. So after you create the new ChatGPT, it's time to train your agent's personality and behavior. You'll see instructions tab. You can just describe exactly what your agent should do. For example, this is just an example. I'm going to just go right like this. You are Study Buddy AI. You help students learn faster by simplifying complex idea and generating short quizzes. You can also define tone, whether it's friendly, professional, or casual, depending on your audience. And after that, you can make your agent more powerful with custom knowledge. You can upload PDFs, documents, or training materials that your agent can reference in conversations. So this is great for creating business bots, product support agents, or educational assistants that know your specific content. And for advanced user, you can also make your AI perform real actions like searching the web, sending data, or integrating with APIs. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorial.